Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make ringtone from songs you bought on iTunes. First, you play the song so you know where you want your ringtone to start and where you want it to end. Because it can be more than like 40 seconds long. After you do that, you select the song you want to make into your ringtone. You right click on that and then go to get info. Then you navigate to the options menu and it chooses like where you want it to start, where you want it to end. Like I chose from 3 seconds to 36 seconds. Then you click on OK. Now you right click on the song again and then you choose create AAC version like okay. So now that your song is done converting, it should be like between 30 to 40 seconds long with that version, and you right click on it and then you select show in Windows Explorer. Since I already have it open, I'm gonna go there. So now you choose the song that you just converted, you right click on that and go to properties. Like, you don't want it M4A, you want it M4R because M4R ringtones. You change that A to R and then click OK. And then yes. Now you go back to iTunes. You select the song you converted and then you delete it. You don't need it anymore. Delete the song. Sometimes it asks you if you want to move it to the recycle bin or if you want to keep it. If it asks you that, select keep it because you do not want to delete the file from the computer. That's the one that you just converted to M4R. Now you go back into Windows Explorer and then you double click on the M4R version of the song and it should start playing in iTunes.
Tonight, let me take you on a love tour. Tonight, let us tear up this damn floor. Tonight.
And you can see it right there. The ringtone is made. Hope that was helpful, people. Well, it's good sharing. So please, if you like my video, subscribe. I'll be making more videos like every week. So yeah.